Guru Freelancer Platform Review. Usage. Guru is one of the top platforms for freelancers and employers to connect, collaborate, and get projects done efficiently. Designed for professionals across various industries, including design, writing, programming, and marketing, Guru stands out with its user-friendly interface, robust collaboration tools, and secure payment system. Signing up is straightforward, whether you're a freelancer or an employer. As a freelancer, you can create a detailed profile showcasing your skills, portfolio, and rates. Employers benefit from posting projects with clear descriptions and budgets, making it easier to attract the right talent. One standout feature of Guru is its workroom, a dedicated space where freelancers and employers can communicate, share files, and manage project milestones seamlessly. The platform supports fixed price, hourly, and recurring payment models, catering to a variety of project needs. Guru also provides SafePay, an escrow-like system that ensures both parties are protected. Freelancers get paid for their work, and employers receive what they expect. For freelancers, the bidding system is competitive, but not overwhelming. Guru's unique job matching feature suggests opportunities tailored to your expertise, saving you time. Employers can easily vet candidates by reviewing feedback and ratings from previous projects, ensuring a reliable hiring process. Pricing on Guru is reasonable, but it's worth noting the platform charges service fees ranging from 5% to 9%, depending on your membership level. While the free plan is functional, upgrading to paid plans unlocks benefits like lower fees and more bids per month. In terms of usability, Guru offers a clean, intuitive dashboard where you can track your work, invoices, and communications. The platform also has a mobile app, ensuring you can stay updated on the go. However, one potential downside is that some niche categories may have fewer job postings compared to larger platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Overall, Guru is best suited for freelancers and businesses looking for long-term, collaborative partnerships. If you value secure payments, professional tools, and a system that supports building lasting work relationships, Guru is a reliable choice. It might not be the largest platform, but its features and ease of use make it a strong contender in the freelance marketplace.